Yeah. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you all on how to change your WordPress website, change the color, which is switch the colors from white to black, just like a color switcher basically. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a new plugin. We're going to upload plugin. We're going to activate. This is dark mode plugin. So I'm going to go to add new plugin. Just going to type dark mode and search. So this is the plugin WP dark mode block. So we're going to install this. This is the plugin. So we're going to activate this plugin. Now we're going to remove this. Okay. We're going to do this. So come in. So yeah, this is the dark mode. And this is it. This is the dark mode. So let's quickly set it up and let's see how it works. So basically this is it. You go to settings, enable front and dark mode, use system settings, admin panel. So let's enable admin panel dark mode. So I'm going to click save changes, and you can see here, if I click this, you can see that the dark mode has been implemented. If I switch this, it switches back, switches back. So yeah, this is the dark mode switch setting. You can customize it to how you want it to be. You can leave it this way. You can customize the color. I think there are just limits to what you can do here. If you need the pro version, feel free to reach out to me. I will let you know how to go about it, how to get it, how to get the premium version. And the beautiful part is it's compatible with your front end. If you want to change the front end, look over here. See, I just toggled my button. And you can see it changed to black, it changed to white. So this is how to change your WordPress website from light mode to dark mode on your website. And it's compatible with Astra and other popular templates rather that you can use. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to me. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my videos.